Hey guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, I am going to unbox this 1x24 diecast model of Audi Rs5 Coupe. This is a very well detailed model by Burago. I brought this model for over 1800 rupees from scaleartsindia.in. I will provide the buying link in the description. Let's get back to the video. Audi Rs5 Coupe. This sports car has 2894cc V6 turbo petrol engine which produces a max power of 450 horsepower at 5700 rpm and a max torque of 600 Nm at 2000 rpm. This is an all-wheel drive car which has automatic gearbox. The car's price in India is over 1.10 crores. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, like, share and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.